Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to check the motherboard model on any Windows computer. First, click the Start menu icon on the taskbar and type System Information. Look for the line that says Baseboard Manufacturer and the line that says Baseboard Product. These 2 lines will tell you the manufacturer and the model of your motherboard. Right-click the computer icon on your desktop and choose Manager. Then select Device Manager. Click the disclosure triangle next to the computer section and you will see the motherboard information there as well. If the previous methods do not work, just install a tool called CPU-Z. This software lists all the hardware details of your system. First, Google the keyword CPU-Z and go to their official website at cpuid.com. Choose either the Windows x86 or Windows x64 version. In the Classic Versions section, scroll down a little and you will see the download buttons. Choose the installer version with the English language. After downloading, install it like normal and launch the program. In the interface, switch to the Mainboard tab and you will see all the information you need. Remember to leave a like to support the channel. I'll see you in the next videos.